Breaking Free workshop. David Shriner-Khan and I bonded in an online community after I saw him write about corporate refugees. Corporate refugees, as David uses the term, are people who have escaped from or been pushed from life as a salaryman or salarywoman. Now they have the freedom to start their own business. Or maybe they're still with the company, but they want to escape to start their own thing. Corporate refugees summed up so much for me, and I know that feeling represents many of the people who read this newsletter. So it's great news that David runs a fabulous workshop for anyone with a small business, and you get to come as our guest. More on that in a second. The audience for David's workshop includes corporate refugees and future corporate refugees, those who are still digging their tunnel with a spoon. Whether you're working on your escape or you're already in business and looking to grow what you're doing, this workshop will give you clarity about what's going to get you where you want to go and momentum in that direction. I might have been doing my own thing for a long time, but I always give a jumping yes to an offer of clarity or momentum. David calls his workshop Breaking Free, a step-by-step guide for corporate refugees to turn their passions into profit. Wherever you are in doing your own thing, this 60-minute workshop will hand you a playbook to strap your business into a catapult. And David has very kindly agreed to run the workshop free to subscribers of this newsletter. That's you. The workshop runs next Tuesday, 17 September at 9 a.m. That is Monday, 16 September, if you, like David, are in the USA. That's 4 p.m. PDT, 6 p.m. CDT, 7 p.m. EDT. Here's what you'll get, and it's all free. 1. Smash through plateaus. Tired of hitting the same wall? You'll learn the 5 strategic moves to ride through business blockages like Miley Cyrus on a wrecking ball. 2. Write your weekly progress plan. Forget vague to-do lists. You'll walk out with a week-by-week action plan that's actually doable, not just aspirational. 3. Avoid common pitfalls. Learn the traps most people fall into and how to sidestep them like a ninja. Ditch unnecessary worries. Not every fire is worth putting out. Learn how to spot what's actually important so you can stop responding to everything. Lastly, chart your course for the next month. No fluff, just stuff that moves the needle. This is for you if 1, you've got a burning desire to work for yourself but can't shake that fear of what if, or losing your job kickstarted your journey and you're ready to make freedom work on your terms, or you've already jumped into business and are ready to pull out into the fast lane. David has had 800 experts and business owners on his podcast, Smashing the Plateau. He's a business confidant and guide and a community builder with a full-time job helping corporate refugees start, run, and grow their businesses. And in case you missed it, he's running the Breaking Free workshop at no charge to you because you get this newsletter. All you have to do is use the link in the show notes to book your place and add the workshop to your calendar. This could be the most productive hour you've spent in a long time. Stephen. P.S. That was a lot, so here's the TLDR. You are invited to a free workshop, Breaking Free, a step-by-step guide for corporate refugees to turn their passions into profit. The workshop is for you if you're running your own business or you're planning to start a business as the next step after corporate life. You'll learn techniques to plan and tackle what's important, no more distractions, and the workshop is free. It's on next week, and all you have to do to add it to your calendar is click the link in the show notes. You've been watching or listening to the Taylor's newsletter, The Obvious Choice, read by me, Stephen Lewis. All the links are in the show notes, and you can get this newsletter directly to your inbox, so you have all the links right there by going to taylist.agency/newsletter. That's another link that's in your show notes.